Are you planning a corporate event in 2023 and you're not sure where to start? What do I do? What does that mean? Where do I go? Who do I talk to? Well, I've got you covered. Here are the top 10 corporate event ideas for 2023 to make your event unforgettable. Idea number 1 is to have a themed event. Now, your theme event can be Harry Potter themed, or it can be NBA Finals themed. It can be Great Gatsby themed. It can be the Roaring 20s themed because, 2023. I mean, come on. So pick a theme and then pick vendors, pick decorations, pick food that all gather around your one theme. Idea number 2 is to do a digital detox event. Now, here's the thing is we are constantly surrounded by phones. I've got TVs, I've got mouses. These are all so digital. How many notifications a day do we get? How many emails a day do we get? We're constantly looking at our devices and getting screen time. And so what if you had a place where you all went and you turned off Wi-Fi, you disconnected, and you were able to detox from all the digital devices in your life? This would be a really unique moment. People would be able to authentically connect, and you would definitely hold your audience's attention because they wouldn't be distracted by all these things. Idea number 3 is to host an eco-friendly event. Sustainability is becoming more and more important across all generations. And so what if you held an event that was carbon neutral, where everything was recycled or reused or repurposed either for your event or after your event? Idea number 4 is to host a charity event. There are some amazing nonprofits out there. In my career, I've helped host meal packing events, donation events, auction events, and there's all kinds of events that you can host that give back to a local charity. Idea number 5 is to host a networking event. Now, not just any networking event, but what if you hosted a speed dating networking event? This networking event can have a theme, like from idea number 1, or it can be one where you just come in, it's business professional, and you pair everyone up, and then you rotate around the room. Idea number 6 is an offsite event. Go somewhere different. Go somewhere outside of your norm and outside of your normal sphere of where you stick to. Now, this can be out in the woods, or it can be an office building that's somewhere else in the city or metropolis where you are. An offsite event is always a great place to start because you can get fresh ideas and fresh inspiration from the surroundings that you have placed yourself in. Idea number 7 is a destination event. Now, this one's a little bit more expensive, but imagine taking your team and going somewhere else. A destination event can be a cabin in the woods. It can be a drive upstate, or it can be a drive down south. It doesn't have to be on an airplane, but a destination event is going to be someplace new that you go that's outside of your city or your immediate area. Idea number 8 is a wellness event. What if you took your entire team and you went and did something healthy, either centered around healthy eating, mental health, or physical exercise, or a combination of all 3? One time I was hosting a conference and we had a yoga session that was during the conference. It was a time for people to slow down, slow their breathing, get their body into a different state, and allow their mind just to be cleared of everything else. Idea number 9 is a team building event. This can be anything from doing a team building event in your own conference room, or it could be a team building event where you go offsite to some location. And idea number 10 is a celebratory event. This can be a sales kickoff where you're celebrating the sales numbers that you had from last year, or it can be a marketing awards show or something else like that where you're celebrating your team, celebrating your company, and celebrating the individual accomplishments. If you want to take one or more of those ideas and plan them a little bit faster than you normally would, check out this video where I teach you about how to use AI to speed up your event planning process.